Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Patrons. So in this video I'm gonna share really cute and bright colored caps for girls and for women. They all are made by crochet art and they are really nice. They have very nice flowers on them. These flower patterns are really colorful and just make any kind of project. So guys, these kind of patterns are really beautiful to use in any kind of project. For little cute girls, these patterns are really beautiful and looks very cute on the girls. And they are also comfortable and cozy in winter. They can protect your little one and yourself by wearing these kind of cap. You can just cover your head and just be protected in cold. You can see these flowers crochet patterns are really cute, looking so beautiful on these kind of hat, and the colors are so nice, very vibrant color. And these kind of hat for women are so stylish and different in patterns. Just simple looking capes are the old one. Now you can just make so many different patterns of crochet to just enhance your simple looking caps. So vibrant color and different colors, which are really cool for girls. You can make any cap matching your outfit. It gives you a really beautiful and cute look. This side style of flower are so common and beautiful, and round shape cap with these kind of patterns are also nice. I hope you all are enjoying these patterns and getting ideas for your crochet projects. These are really nice, and guys, you can just go through this video and have ideas about different patterns. I hope you're liking the video. These flower projects are really easy to make and very beautiful to wear. It feels really cozy in these kind of cap. You can match them with your sweaters, jackets, and any winter outfit. They just complement any kind of outfit like western wear or any simple wear. If you're wearing any kind of jeans or jacket, this will just give you complete look. Some people say that give them different kind of names like chemo caps or hat or just simple baby caps. I personally like all patterns in this video. I hope you all are also liking it. These are really nice and beautiful with different colors and different patterns. All flowers are different from each one. These combination of colors can give you ideas about your project you're just working on. And when you make these kind of things for you or your special one, like if you want to gift these kind of things, it will be really precious for them. When you are just going to make it by yourself, it will give them a really special feeling that you really care for them and you made it for them by yourself. And when you give these kind of gifts to anyone, they just take them with uh, these gifts because they have a special memory for them, and they can just make them save with them. These all are really trendy caps and helpful too. They are so important to just cover your head in winter, and covering it with the style and beauty is something really interesting. So just leave simple kind of cap and just make your own special cap by using these projects, these crochet patterns. The colors are really vibrant and bright. You can just mix and match the colors and make a beautiful project. Nowadays chunky bubbled caps are favorite of fashionistas. It's really boring wearing simple kind of caps on in winter. You can just enhance the look and make it fun by using different kind of patterns on them and different kind of flowers on them. Make them beautiful, and whatever you're wearing, just wear them with style. So that's why I give you different ideas, and you can just use them for your crochet projects. So guys, I hope you are liking my videos and just they are useful for you, and you're just getting the ideas from my video. You can see these flowers and patterns are so beautiful and looking so nice on girls. And for the little ones, they have really cute patterns in this video. You can just make your little cute girls more stylish and beautiful by using these kind of caps on them and give them these beautiful gifts. They are really cozy also and comfortable in the winter. It gave so much comfort and style. So guys, I hope you thoroughly enjoy my video, and I just try to um, make them useful for you. Like, I just collect so many different kind of patterns to just give you ideas, and I just need your appreciation for that. Just subscribe to my channel and just give me feedback. By your feedback, I can just improve my work, I can improve my videos. Just let me know that are you enjoying my videos or getting ideas, or let me know that what else you want to see, what else you want to know about crochet, so that I can just make videos for you guys. It takes a lot of time and hard work to make these videos for you. Just need a little appreciation. Please let me know and give me feedback that is it useful for you or you're enjoying them, so that I can bring different ideas time to time, and I will try to make more and different kind of videos for you in the future. And just let me know and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.